Welcome to ModiMakes.
What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is ModiMakes, and today I'm gonna be working on my first quadriptych? I don't know if that's right, but I'm gonna be working on 4 pieces all together, making one singular thing. Well, actually that's only kind of true. It's only kind of a quadriptych, because while it's 4 pieces that I am making in tandem with a similar theme and style running through them, they're made to be sold separately and look good separately, but also look good together, because I'm gonna be going down to do an art show in Oakland this Saturday. Man, I am so excited to get back to the Bay. It's been way too long. And I already shipped out all of my art for the show, but I kind of wanted to bring some smaller stuff that I can sell for a little bit cheaper than the large canvases that I already shipped out. So I decided I'm gonna make these 4 small canvases and see if I can't tuck them into my carry-on and bring them down with me. So I'm just basically gonna be making 4 kind of cool little character drawings and you know, making them in my weird Modi style, as I always do. I'll explain what each character is and what the inspiration was for it in the end, but I want y'all to check them out with a fresh mind and not have any of my ideas polluting your thoughts on them until I tell you in the end. But as always, if you have any guesses for what these characters are and what they're based on, go ahead and throw those down in the comments below throughout the video, and I'll be checking them out and seeing how close you got. So let's get into it, shall we? Not on the shirts. Stay. Well, there you have it, my peoples. My creature character creations are complete. Man, how's that for consonants? And you know, I am stoked with how these turned out. I really, really like the characters. I think all the pieces look great. The line work came out really clean. So I guess I owe you guys a little bit of clarification on what each of them are. The first one, the red one, is kind of like a ninja meets Finn from Adventure Time. A little bit of a strange thing, but I think it creates a kind of compelling character with his weird like anthropomorphic hands. The second one, the yellow one, is kind of like a Totoro style creature with this strange head on a post coming out of it, kind of like a parasite. Third one, the green one, is another Sasquatch painting. I just wanted to do another one because I really liked how the one turned out on the shirt, and I felt like I could make kind of a weird, goofier sort of version of this one. And the fourth one, the orange one, since orange is generally regarded as sort of a color of like optimism and energy, I wanted to make it into sort of an anthropomorphic light bulb that I turned into a character, because often like a light bulb is used for like inspiration and optimism, and then obviously the whole connection between it being electricity and energy. So that's what all four of them are. I hope you guys got your guesses in the comments. And, you know, also let me know how you guys thought about the pieces yourself down in the comments below. I will be reading through each and every one of them as I always do and responding to them personally. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and give me a like. That would be fantastic. And if you like me, you like the channel, and you want to help support me, the number one thing that you can do is to subscribe. I really couldn't thank you enough if you did. It means the world to me. And with all that out of the way, and without further ado, let's get in those final shots, shall we?
Thanks for watching.